Stop scrolling and meet the 2024 Rimac Nevera, the electric hypercar that's rewriting every rule in automotive performance. Crafted by Rimac Automobili, a Croatian innovator, this masterpiece delivers a staggering 1,914 horsepower through 4 independent electric motors, one powering each wheel. This quad motor setup allows for precise torque vectoring, providing instant torque exactly where it's needed for unparalleled handling and acceleration. The Nevera rockets from 0 to 60 mph in a blistering 1.85 seconds, rivaling the fastest cars ever made. Powering this beast is a 20 kWh lithium manganese nickel battery pack, offering not only immense power, but also an impressive range of up to 340 miles under ideal conditions. Its top speed hits an astonishing 258 mph, placing it among the fastest production vehicles worldwide. The extensive use of carbon fiber keeps the weight down, enhancing agility and performance. Inside, the Nevera features a futuristic cockpit with multiple digital displays and bespoke materials, blending cutting-edge technology with luxury. This car isn't just about raw speed, it's a showcase of innovation, engineering, and design excellence. Maybe you'll end up with a car like this. Let me know in the comments what you would do with a car like this.